Tim's been flying for over 20 years. A career that started as a 14-year-old boy watching gliders being flown in his home ultimately led to Tim becoming an accomplished glider aerobatics pilot, powered aerobatics pilot. Phoenix, Arizona, it's Tim Weber in the Geico Extra 300. Excess of 300 horsepower Lycoming IO 540 engine. MT composite propeller. Left-hand side of the box, Tim pulls that extra 300 vertical, the Geico 300. Pulls across top, now he's looking up, see down, make sure he's right at Airshow Center where he is at all times. Outside, and over wingtip over wingtip. And stops perfect down line. One more time with the Geico 300. Tim rolls the airplane to vertical and watch the vertical rolls he gets on his airplane. Rolls to the right, now stops the vertical rolls, the right goes back to the left. He stops the vertical penetration, backs the airplane up right down through his own smoke with a tail slide. Watch that nose come down the horizon. That's called the whip stall. Tim is brought to you today by Geico. Geico is the 5th largest private passenger auto insurer in the United States. It's been providing insurance for more than 65 years. Geico provides auto insurance for more than 5.3 million policyholders and insures more than 8.6 million vehicles, keeping rates low by dealing directly with the customer. For more than 10,000 drivers a week, one 15-minute call could save you 15% or more on your car insurance. So call Geico today. Tim shows the capabilities of extra the Geico 300 as it has a knife edge climb in a 45-degree upline. Tim puts Geico extra 300 back down there, she's on the left-hand side of the box, pulls vertical one more time, slam himself out inside the cockpit in excess of 4 Gs. 45 down, 1, 2, 3, there's 4, there's 5. I'll get 5 or quarter, holds knife edge flight down to 45, right down there, Airshow Center, puts it right down the deck one more time. This time Tim goes vertical to the Geico 300, rolls the airplane back with vertical by 1, just 2, going 3. That pretty blue sky right here in Millville Airport. Pushes outside, stands on that rudder, gets back to left of the rudder, snaps the airplane to vertical down line. Pushes right rudder and snaps on 45 foot. Left rudder on the vertical down line. Quarter roll to the half roll to the left. Outside snaps to the right. Push it forward on the stick. Outside snap the airplane at 45 down line. Puts it knife edge, skidding knife edge 45 down line. Standing on that top rudder. Hey Tim, how you doing up there? Hey Tim, I got some good news for you. You remember the lottery ticket you asked me to buy for you last week? No, but I saved 15% of my insurance, so I called Geico. Stop that vertical penetration. The airplane has to rotate it by the horsepower. The fork of the engine rotates that airplane around as it backs it up through his own smoke. That's called the torque roll. Boy, did he nail that torque roll. Look at that. He's backing up in excess of 100 mile an hour backwards with that Geico Extra 300. That has got to be one of the best torque rolls I've seen in a long time. Performer who writes, records, and performs in his own music. So listen and watch as Tim performs. That's right, what you listen to is Tim Weber with his own music. Tim Weber takes that Geico 300 down to 45 down. He snapped the airplane 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Getting back 5 or 6 snap rolls that 45 down line. Not content to skip roll 1 rate. Stops and goes back the other way. Push it outside the top case of hard land. Water top was in. Ran almost in the wingtip spin. Boy, that man just loves to place his body in that Geico 300 aircraft. He does not like to fly straight down for more than maybe 1.5 seconds at a time.
This is the tour. The line that was this time, that one. No, that was out. No, last year.
Tim's hanging for 1, 2 points, 4 points, 3 and 4 back converted. 5 and 6 back there. Break into a series of point rolls right down the center line, show line of Millville Airshow. Right hand side of the box, Tim come back from the right hand side one more time, change the vertical up line to vertical down line. Rolls the airplane right down there, show center to left, now back. Snap the airplane right hand side. Pushing his body through some painful maneuvers out there. Nice vertical straight line, left hand side of airshow box. Rolls the airplane half around, pushes outside the Humpty Bump turn, outside half cube at 8 turnaround. Again at 45 down lane, snap the airplane 1, 2, 3, 4 times around 45 down lane, bring it right down the airshow center, about 10 feet off the deck. Rolls the airplane and knife edge stands on that vertical line. 4-4 followed by an aileron over 45 up line. Now we're going back to the right. Rolls the airplane. He's turning left, rolling the airplane to the right. That's right. What I'm saying, he's actually turning the airplane to the left while rolling the airplane to the right. Okay, keep bringing it around to the left there. Keep going around left. Looks pretty good. You might want to start bringing the power back and start easing those up a little bit. We'll get some trees off the end runway out there. Well, you missed the trees, but you didn't have to roll the airplane.
Hey, Maverick. Remember that preaching farmer? You remember that air show?
No, folks, he's all right. He loves doing that. The only guy that comes down does 2 rolls to the right, snap rolls on top to the left, then slips it right down the center of the runway for nice. Looks pretty good, Tim. You're not done flying till the wheels are in the chocks and the prop is stopped.
I couldn't have done it without you.
Right.
So, I'm having more fun today than should be legal, I'll tell you what. I'd like to invite everybody to stop by the Geico tent, say hi. We got some giveaways, some pictures of the airplane, and let's get on with this.